Hello guys. Okay, we are now on our way to supermarket to get some groceries and some stuff for my dialysis, especially the kitchen roll. Okay, we require a lot of kitchen roll because no cloth is allowed. Because of the what?
Link lah.
Okay, okay. Just now I asked my helper, is there anything urgent that needs to be purchased or need to replenish? She told me toilet roll. I asked her, is that all? And she said, I said, do you still have kitchen roll? Oh, he said, oh, because Darren knew about it already. I said, it's not Darren that was going to do the shopping. I'm going to do the shopping. I don't know. So that's the problem with my helper. She's always full of excuses, full of reasons. Okay? So, what to do? Okay, she's my helper. She's going to help me. So I'm pissing because, anyway. Just renting because we're testing out new GoPro Max 360 degrees. So, okay, the supermarket we are going to it's called Sheng Siong. It's one of the local supermarket. And it opens for 24 hours a day. Okay, so we can actually go at night lah, but then because at night I have to do my dialysis. So now, no more night outing, no more night shopping. Cannot go Mustafa in the middle of the night anymore. So many things, okay? Anyway, still have 24 hours a day, so what is 10 hours, right? Okay? So, okay. This at the next corner, at the next junction, we turn right.
GPS connected.
Getting Darren's milk. Okay, he only wants this milk brand Pura. Okay, from Australia, and all of this milk is a fresh milk, so it has a very short shelf life. So we get to see whether to get one carton or just carton. One bottle. No. One quota. Okay, and I also try to look for my because I have a fluid restriction, so I'm looking for a 500ml jug, like what they have in the hospital. So it's easier lah to aggregation, right? If not hantar minum drink only, right? Habis lah. Okay. So the thing about the Sheng Siong is linked through the car park. So rain or shine, you are sheltered. Okay. So here we are. I'll continue again later. Okay. Adios. Okay, I've just finished doing my shopping at the supermarket. Okay, like some vegetable, kitchen roll, toilet roll, which I don't use, and some reduced sodium, reduced salt sauces, and soy sauce and fish sauce. Okay, yeah, I think so. Then I bought some convenient food, pao, honey chicken pao. Okay, for in case in no time for breakfast, you can just steam that. And I bought flour, cake flour for a project. Okay. Then what else did I buy? Okay. Okay. One question. all-purpose flour equals to plain flour. Okay, I saw this guy was trying to, looking through the flour section and was asking me. Was looking for all-purpose flour. So I just showed him the plain flour section. He said, "Oh no, I'm looking for one that has the word all-purpose flour. Because we usually make pizza with the all-purpose flour." So, to my knowledge, plain flour is all-purpose flour, all-purpose flour is plain flour. So, let me know if I'm wrong in the comment. Okay, bye. Yeah.